Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to install Rtxvoice if you have a GTX card. So normally if you have an RTX card, the program will just install correctly. But if you have a GTX card which supposedly not support Rtxvoice, there's a way for you to install to make it runnable. So first off, let's go into the website here, which is let me just Google NVIDIA Rtxvoice here. And you can go into this website, and as you can see, there's a few apps that supports Rtxvoice, such as Discord, OBS Studio, Zoom, Skype, even Google Chrome. And as you can see, you'll need driver 410.18 or newer, and on Windows 10 for you to run this software. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see this, download the app here and click to download it. I'll put the download link in the video description down below. Okay, so once downloaded, you see here, you just need to double click it and you'll encounter an issue. It will take some time for you to open this program depending on your system configuration. But if it's not running, you can always go into your task manager here and right click this and end task for you to relaunch. And as you can see, because we are not using RTX cards, for your information, I'm using GTX 1070 here. It will say that NVIDIA Rtxvoice application is not supported on your existing GPU, and RTX enabled GPU is needed for this application to run. Now don't worry about this, just close this window here and then go into your C drive and go into a temporary drive. And this is what will be created here once you start up the installer. So just click inside here and go to NVIX, and you'll see an Rtxvoice here in an NVI file here. Just open it using any notepad. Open it. Let me drag it here. Okay, and you see a lot of lines here. Now you want to find the lines, these lines. Yeah. So highlight this and delete them, and then click save into the same folder there. Yep, click yes. But if you encounter this issue, such as the administrator issue here, what you have to do is go back here, go to property, go to security. Now select your user. In this case, this is mine, and as you can see, I don't have the right permission allowed here. So all I have to do is to go inside here, click edit, and then go to my user here, and then tick this, click apply. Okay, now go back here again, this NVI Rtxvoice NVI file again, open it, find the same line again, delete it. This time click save, and as you can see, no problem now. Now the last step is to go back one step and then click this setup, try and run as administrator, and as you can see, this is installing properly here. We passed this. Now we just have to click agree and continue and let it install and click close, and there we go. We have our Rtxvoice on now, as you can see, and this is the apps here. So all you want to do is just play around with the settings here to see which one works for you. In my case, this already works for me, and if you want to activate your Rtxvoice, you just have to click this one, and boom, here we go. So this is actually active now, and this is how we install NVIDIA Rtxvoice on GTX card. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe and share my videos if you find this useful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.